Court operations were disrupted in several parts of the country as advocates stayed away from courtrooms in response to the Law Society of Kenya's nationwide boycott over concerns about the administration of justice. The lawyers are protesting against misconduct by a few judicial officers, as NTV's Winnie Tuitoek now reports.
At the Milimani Law Courts in Nairobi, a spot check established partial attendance, with some advocates appearing in both physical and virtual court sessions. While some lawyers sought adjournment in solidarity with the boycott, several magistrates proceeded with hearings, maintaining that court operations would continue. Later, LSK leaders arrived at the Milimani Law Courts and urged judicial officers to adjourn ongoing matters. Two magistrates agreed to postpone some cases and issued fresh hearing dates.
We are, however, concerned at several instances we have had where some judges, some judicial officers have declined to comply with the notice that was issued to the judiciary that lawyers will be exercising their right to boycott court under Article 37 and Article 41 of the Constitution of Kenya.
Last week, the Law Society of Kenya announced the boycott, naming several senior judicial officers it alleges are facing integrity and ethical concerns, including judges of the Supreme Court.
We must ensure we bring back sanity into the justice system. And number 3, independence of the judiciary does not mean immunity from scrutiny.
In Nakuru, advocates also joined the boycott, exempting only urgent matters. LSK Nakuru branch chairperson Wangari Mwangi said the action was taken after all other avenues to resolve the concerns failed.
They have a tendency of rushing to court and blocking investigations. They have a tendency of getting court orders because they're getting these orders from their colleagues and their friends.
In Mombasa, lawyers led by LSK Mombasa branch chairperson Natasha Ali also boycotted court proceedings.
A country that is supposed to be democratic has to have a functioning judiciary and has to have a law society of advocates that are actually backing up the judiciary and working together towards that democracy.
At the Machakos Law Courts, court activity was largely brought to a standstill, with several cases adjourned following the advocates' boycott. Lawyers in the county maintained that the protest is aimed at strengthening accountability, integrity, and public confidence in the judiciary.
Kulikuwa na kesi hapa kotini, court number 3, lakini kushangasha ni kwamba wakili wetu hakuja kotini.
LSK has maintained that the boycott will continue throughout the week, urging the Judicial Service Commission and the judicial leadership to urgently address the grievances raised and restore public confidence in the administration of justice. Winnie Tuitoek, NTV.
That report by